find this. Some like martial arts gloves.
Just don't put a hole in anything.
I wish I had like a tennis racket.
Is that part of a scooter?
I think maybe. I don't know.
A child.
There's a tennis racket in there.
A part of a child's scooter.
Stupid mittens. Oh, it's gonna take 2 seconds, right? Why on my gullet?
Like that exterminator guy, where he has the wristlets. All of this just to open a garage door to let the batter burn out.
Yeah, well, DJ and Ethan will appreciate it because we've done this before.
I think you should go into the garage now and just open the thing.
Yeah, maybe if I knew we didn't have rabies.
It's probably just a pigeon.
Yeah, well, if it's a pigeon, I'm gonna kill it.
With your paddle?
With my paddle.
It's gonna get ya.
What?
It's gonna get ya.
I don't see it.
Go open the other side.
No. What, the door?
Sure.
I'm not opening this door.
What is it?
It's right there!
Is it a bat?
Yeah!
That little...
I'm not kidding. Let me in the other door!
Oh my
You know, that grosses me out because I didn't see it.